In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a board private in Monday.com. Making a board private is really useful when you're working with sensitive information, early-stage ideas, or anything you don't want the whole workspace to see. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can control who has access to your board with confidence. First, start by logging into your Monday.com account the way you normally do. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board you want to make private. This might be a project board, a client board, or an internal planning board. Take a second to double-check you've opened the right one, because the privacy setting you're about to change applies only to the board you have open. With your board open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options or ellipsis menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens up a menu that controls a variety of board options and tools. From this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Board Settings. Click on Board Settings to open the configuration area for this particular board. This is where you can change how the board behaves and who can see it. Inside the board settings, find and select the option that says Change Board Type. This is the section that lets you switch between different visibility types, such as main, shareable, or private, depending on how your account is set up. When the board type options appear, choose Private. Selecting Private means that only people you specifically invite to this board will be able to see or access it. It will no longer be visible to everyone in your account or workspace. This is perfect for HR boards, financial tracking, management discussions, or anything that needs limited visibility. After you've selected Private, you'll see a confirmation option, usually labeled Change Board to Private. Click this button to finalize the change. Monday.com may take a brief moment to update the board type. Once that's done, your board is now private. From here, you can manually invite the exact team members who should have access, and you'll know that the information on this board is restricted to that group only.